We are simply out of time. The time to talk about combating climate change has passed. Now is the time to act and bring renewable energy to all communities. In March of 2023, the monthly mean atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration reached a record high of 425.4 parts per million. This was an increase of roughly 15% compared with average levels recorded in February of 2000. To put this into perspective, during the time it will take you to watch this video, an estimated 260,000 metric tons of CO2 will be released worldwide due to burning fossil fuels. The clock is smoking. We are not okay with extending the use of fossil fuels. We must focus on implementing solutions for clean energy through technology and ingenuity. This is our passion. BoreLogic's mission is to eliminate the issue of access and adoption of low-temperature, ground-source geothermal projects to all communities. These actions help remove 7 million metric tons of CO2 and an undiscounted savings of $1 trillion. What are these issues related to wide access and adoption? 1. A shortage of skilled workers equipped to operate specialized drilling equipment required to install shallow geothermal systems. 2. The steep learning curve inherent in the technology and drilling equipment available today. And 3. Antiquated drill rigs and tooling equipment impact reliable installations. Why are these issues? When considering urban locations, limited surface space and the existence of subterranean infrastructure increase the risks associated with drilling. Limited access drilling requires a veteran driller to ensure quality installations while mitigating the risk of damage to infrastructure and maintaining production schedules. This issue is magnified when we consider that the average age of a driller in the U.S. is 58. Current industry standards recommend 3 to 5 years to develop a competent driller. The impediment to developing a competent driller lies in real-time data to help understand borehole dynamics during drilling. These include direction, depth, and reaction of downhole conditions to rig and tooling. An optimal borehole is drilled straight and hits the intended target. Inexperienced drillers can unknowingly drill boreholes that deviate from the intended target, potentially interfering with existing infrastructure and geothermal loops. How will BoreLogic solve these issues? Through logic drilling. Logic drilling is accomplished through real-time positional data of the drill bit to the rig. With the bit in contact, the rig can track the telemetry data and report borehole depth and angle in relation to the drill rig. As real-time data is provided to the rig operator, micro adjustments can be made to avoid deviating from engineering specifications. This is made possible through intelligent tooling, rig design, and user interface. These intelligent designs work together to ready the next generation of drilling operators to enter the labor force and drill to the desired target with confidence. The purpose of seeking the $100,000 grant is to develop logic drilling equipment for the rapid expansion of driller capabilities in urban settings. We will do this by delivering the technology that will make the rig and tooling intelligent and shorten the training cycle for today's workforce. Why is this critical to the future of geothermal energy? We must train and develop a new, diverse workforce that is competent, and capable of meeting this demand. Training the drillers of tomorrow with this enhanced technology will shorten the learning curve today's operators must go through before becoming competent drillers. Shortening the learning curve increases productivity, maximizes rig utilization, and decreases bore field installation costs. If we are to meet the geothermal energy demands of New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, and all communities, we must streamline our current drilling processes. We are simply out of time. The time to act is now. We are confident in our process to maximize productivity and deliver geothermal energy to the masses. This is fair and equitable for all. BoreLogic, 21st century drilling applications to advance acceptance and adoption of thermal networks for all.